Hello students, how are you all? Are you all doing well? Are you all practicing your maths problems daily? Okay, you have to practice them regularly. Okay, and apart from the questions that I give, you take some more questions yourself. You see, I am giving you some of the questions daily, some questions I give you daily to practice. But other than that, you select some more questions, you make some more questions daily, or you ask your parents if they can, and you do the problems and practice. Today, let us learn pattern in whole numbers. See, whole numbers can be shown in some of the elementary shapes like line, or some of the whole numbers can be shown as a rectangle, some of them can be shown as a square, some of them can be shown as a triangle with the help of dots. So let us see some of those shapes that can be made using some numbers. All of you understand one thing very clearly: every number can be shown as a line. For example, 2. To show 2, we place 2 dots. See, this is a line. See, when you unite them, you get a line. So 2 can be shown as a line. What about 3? We can shown as 3 dots. See, this is also a line. 4, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these are lines. Now, some of the numbers can be shown as a rectangle also. Look at this number 4. See, so 5 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this form you have written. Now, rectangle, let us learn. See, you look at this number 6. We make a 6 using 6 dots. So same 6 dots I am placing here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you unite this, you will get a rectangle. Will you get a rectangle? Yes, you will get a rectangle. Okay. So how many dots we have used? 6 dots. So 6 can be represented in the form of a rectangle. Let us take another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 can be represented as a rectangle. You have already learned 8 can be represented as a line also. Every number can be represented in the form of a line. See, 2 can be represented as 2 dots. So when you unite that, you will get a line in the same way. So rectangle, 6, 8. Again, you can find out so many numbers like that, like 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Like this, these numbers can be represented as a rectangle in its elementary form. Then square. Let us take the example of 4. I am writing 4 as 4 dots like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is like a square. 9 also we can represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you unite these dots, you will get a square. If it is 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is also a square. Some of the numbers can be written as represented as a triangle also. Let us see such numbers. Triangle. Suppose I am placing 3 dots like this. 1, 2, 3. When you unite, what will you get? You will get a triangle. So 3 can be represented as a triangle. Suppose I am placing 1, 2, 3. Now 3 dots I am placing this side also. And I am putting 1 dot here. You see here. It is in the form of a triangle. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at this. 6 can be denoted as a line. 6 can be shown as a rectangle. 6 can be shown as a triangle also. Now, let us place 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same way, 2, 3, 4. Put 1 in this gap. Now 1 you put in this between these two here. Between these two, 1 you put a straight line. In this straight line you put, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See. 10 can be denoted as a triangle, 10 can be denoted as a rectangle, 10 can be denoted as a line also. So this pattern you can practice yourself. So whichever number you like, say for example 12, 13, what are the patterns possible for 12, or which all patterns can be, which all whole numbers can be represented as a square, as a rectangle or as a triangle. You can practice, you can put the dots and practice. So this is one of the patterns. Now so far what you have learned, on the basis of that I am going to give you one homework. So the homework is, you will make a table. In the table, first column is for numbers. Next, line. Next column is rectangle. Next column is for square. Next column is for triangle. So you will write numbers from 1 to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you will check. 2 onwards we will write. Because 1 is just a dot. So 2 onwards. 2, whether using these 2 dots you can make a line or not. Can you make a line using this? So other than making the shape there, you write yes or no. Whether using 2 dots you can make a line, you can make a rectangle, you can make a square, you can make a triangle or not. Ultimately, what do you mean? Whether you can have any elementary shape as a line for 2, or rectangle for this number, square for this number, triangle for this number or not. So you have already learned line can be, so using 2 dots you can make a line. So is possible? Yes, you can make a line. 2 can be shown as a line. Can 2 be shown as a rectangle? Not possible. So we will write no. Can 2 be shown as a square? Not possible. No. Can 2 be shown as a triangle? So you take whether triangle can be made using 2 dots or not. It's impossible. So we will write no. Same way, can 3 be shown as a line? 3 can be shown as a line. Yes. Can you show 3 as a rectangle? Not possible. No. Next, you check whether you can make a square using 3 dots. Whatever may be the way, in whichever way you put 3 dots, you can never make a square also. So no. Next, can you make a triangle using 3 dots? 3 dots you put like this. You can make a triangle. You join these dots. Join the dot, you will get a triangle. Yes or no? So yes. Likewise, using 4 to 10, 4 dots, whether you can make a line. That means whether you can show 4 as a line, or 4 as a square, or 4 as a rectangle or 4 as a triangle. Okay, so from 4 to 10 you find yourself. If possible, suppose you are finding out that 6 can be written in the 6 can be shown as a triangle. So in triangles column towards 6 you write yes. If it cannot be, write no. So this is your homework. So you have to do the work in your rough workbook. So this column you have to just fill with yes or no. That means whether, for example, 6 can be represented as a triangle or not. So suppose we using 6 dots you are able to make a triangle, you say yes. In triangle column you write yes. In square column, so using 6 dots, can you make a square? Not possible. So in square column towards 6, what will you write? No. So likewise you check and fill this box and send the work to my WhatsApp number.